Breathing into this stillness, we fully and completely allow ourselves this time in meditation. We allow ourselves this moment. So consciously set aside anything that might keep you, mind, body, or spirit from this moment. Just lift it up and hand it over. And take a deep breath of homecoming. A deep breath of knowing that we are one in the one. That there is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, filling this moment when I give it my full and complete attention. I can be aware of this truth. We lengthen the inhale, drawing the crown of the head high, and deepen the exhale, allowing it to be complete. We do not underestimate the power of the breath, the power of meditation, the power of the silence. By simply allowing the fullness of the practice to have its way with us. We nourish within us a center of peace that cannot be disturbed, a center of love that actively harmonizes discord, a center of life that knows no opposite, no matter the appearance. This field of consciousness, this rich internal landscape is always available and accessible to us. But our ability to experience it rests on this choice. To spend time to value and to enter into the sacred silence. And so it is. Namaste.